Meta has begun rolling out a new AI tool designed to translate and dub Reels for creators on Instagram and Facebook. The translations will be delivered in creators' own cloned voice. An optional lip sync capability adjusts the video so that lip movements better match the dub track. On Instagram, the translation option is being made available to all public accounts in regions where Meta AI is active. On Facebook, it is initially open to creators with more than 1,000 followers. Before publishing a reel, creators can choose to enable translation, previewing the AI-generated version, and decide whether to apply lip sync. After posting, the translation can be switched off at any time without affecting the original video. Translated clips are marked with an AI translated label so viewers know the version was produced by Meta's system. Creators on Facebook are also gaining an additional option through Meta Business Suite, which allows them to upload up to 20 custom dubbed audio tracks per reel. Thus make it possible to provide translation in other languages beyond the automated system and to update audio even after a post has gone live. While the feature promises to increase accessibility, its rollout raises some challenges. AI translation can struggle with idioms, slang, and cultural references, sometimes producing error or awkward phrasing. The cloning of a creator's voice or translation introduces new questions about privacy and data use, particularly regarding how voice samples are stored and protected. Meta has said translated clips will carry clear labels, though some observers note that audiences may still find it difficult to distinguish between original and AI-generated speech. Lip syncing designed to make translations look natural could also create issues if synchronization is imperfect. In addition, the system currently supports only English and Spanish. Until more languages are added, the benefit may be limited to certain creator communities. For audiences, the process is seamless. Translated videos are delivered automatically in the language tied to the app settings. For creators, new analytics will provide insights such as view counts by language, offering information about how their content performs across different audiences. Meta's new tool reflects a wider industry trend of using AI to lower barriers to global distribution. By offering voice cloning, translation, and dubbing directly with its app, the tech giant aims to help creators expand their reach without having to produce multiple versions of the same content. At the same time, the effectiveness of the tool will depend on how accurately translations capture tone and meaning, how well the technology preserves a sense of authenticity, and how quickly it expands beyond its initial language pair.